In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer crypto from Binance to Hardware Wallet. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up any hardware wallet that you have and transfer your assets from Binance into it. For this video, I chose to use the Ledger as an example of hardware wallet. However, this is going to work with any other hardware wallet that you might have. For example, a Trezor. The process is generally the same. What you have to do is grab the receiving wallet address from your hardware wallet. So to do this, connect it to a PC and open the application. So for Ledger, you will have to download and open Ledger Live. In here, you can set up all sorts of wallets for different crypto assets. Like I said, if you are using a different hardware wallet, such as Trezor, then the instructions are going to differ. You will have to download a different software. Now, once you are here, go over to your accounts page. Make sure that you install any necessary applications. So for example, the Bitcoin application, the Ethereum app, and so on, depending on what you are receiving. And when you go over to accounts, you will find the plus sign to add a new account. From here, you can choose which asset you will be receiving on your hardware wallet, and then you will be given the address. So after you go through these steps here, the three main steps, you will be given this address that you can copy. So copy this wallet address and now go over to Binance or any other exchange wallet. Go to your account, so sign into your account, go to your wallet overview, and you will find the withdraw option available here. If you have any assets available on your funding wallet, you will also find the withdraw option at the right side of them. Now you can confirm the coin. So for example, Bitcoin, and on the send to window, you can input the address that you copied from your hardware wallet. In this case, the wallet address that was given to you by Ledger. Now you can finish this transfer by inputting the amount and then withdrawing the particular amount in coin that you chose on Binance. There's no secret to this. This is going to work with any other hardware wallet. All that you have to do is generate a proper receiving address. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer crypto from Binance to hardware wallet. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.